Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valeria. If you're new here, welcome to the Ballerinas family. Today I sat down and decided to create a drugstore look for you guys. I realized that I haven't filmed one in forever and I was like, oh my god, I gotta do it for my girls because they're probably like, Valeria, what the heck is going on? I got to play around with like some of my favorite drugstore products and also some new products that I haven't used before, and also I used one of the new JACLYN palettes, which is pretty bomb, but one of the eyeshadows didn't like really work for me how I wanted it to, but you have to watch the video to find out. But overall, I really like how this look turned out. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this bronzy goddess drugstore look for the summer, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so first I'm taking my Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. I'm gonna be using this brow pencil today to fill in my eyebrows. I haven't used it in a hot second, and I'm sorry if it's like really echoey in here. I'm in a new room and I'm so excited about it, but it sounds really echoey because it's big and I still haven't put like a lot of furniture in it, so bear with me. I'm gonna start by spooling my eyebrows upward, and then going in, I'm gonna outline the bottom of my brow. And I'm doing like tiny hair-like strokes, and then just following the natural shape. And then I'm only going to fill in right about the middle of the brow. That's where I have like more sparse areas. And then the rest, I'm gonna brush it through with the spoolie, and then it'll all blend in together nicely. It just looks like a lot fuller this way, like a lot more natural. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be taking another one of the JACLYN and MORPHE new palettes. I started filming with these, but then I stopped because she like postponed her launch date, which is so annoying. But finally, I think they're about to release pretty soon. So I'm going to go ahead and be using the Armed and Gorgeous palette. As you can see, it has a variety of like golden tones with like oranges, yellows, and greens. These are like all of my favorite colors in one palette. And I'm going for more like a bronzy look. I haven't done one in a while, so let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to be taking the shade Secure. It is a beautiful matte orange shade. And I'm going to pick that up with my Morphe R38 blending brush. I'm going to start by stamping the color in the middle of my eye. That's very, very pigmented. And I'm going to start to buff that color inward towards my inner corner. And then whatever is left, I'll run it to the outer edge. I find that it makes it less messy this way than to start like right at the outer corner, and you end up with just way too much product back there. And I want it to be really like seamless and smoked out like that. You guys see the difference? All the color is right in the middle and not like in the outer corner. I saw this technique from Desi Perkins and it literally changed my life. With a clean brush, I'm taking a Morphe M513. I'm taking the color Agent, which is more of a cream soft brown color. I'm gonna be applying that onto my crease as well. I'm just gonna use that to deepen up the crease a little bit. I wasn't expecting this to be like this orange, but we already here. It's summer, why not play with color? You guys, my eyeshadows from the vault are literally perfection. Like, I didn't have a bad batch at all, so that's pretty good. I was gonna add the yellow, but it's already like way too orange, so I'm just gonna skip it for today. I might apply it later onto the crease a little bit. I'm taking a tinier brush. This is the Morphe M506. It's a tiny blender. I'm gonna be taking the color Smooth Criminal, which is a beautiful dark brown matte shade, and I'm gonna start working that onto the crease as well. That just added like so much warmness to the look, and I love that it looks less orange this way. So I'm always like to look down into my mirror. That way I'm applying the color right in the crease. With that same brush, I'm gonna go in now with Prowl, which is a dark brown matte color, which is really beautiful. I love this for like the lash line to smoke it out. It's probably stunning. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just like apply it in the outer corner just to add some like definition in there. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush. This is from Sosu Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the edges out. It's a really fluffy brush, so I really like how it like just blurs out the eyeshadow. Alright guys, now we're gonna be applying the shimmery shade that I cannot wait. I don't know if I should do Classified or Coin. Coin is more like a green. I'm not feeling the green today, but I'm feeling Classified. I want like that bronzy glow. So I'm gonna be picking that up with a flat shader brush. Gonna load that on. I love JACLYN's like shimmery pressed shadows because the pigment is amazing. Okay, so this eyeshadow is swatch beautiful, but it's not like packing it on how I figured it would, like more buttery. Let me try it with my finger. finger. Yeah, with my finger it applies much better. I get more better pigment this way. And taking a clean pencil brush, I'm gonna be taking the shade Guilt Trip, which is this beautiful gold shade. I could have used this one, but I wanted it to be a little bit more like on the earthy side, but I'm gonna be applying this all in the inner corner. I went ahead and wiped off my face a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up later with concealer. But first I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Booster Drops. They're really similar for the Forsali ones, but at a very cheaper price. And I really like it. They're more watery and liquidy than the other ones, but girl, for the price, it's worth it. For primer today, I'm taking my Speed Plump All Day Primer by Soap & Glory. It's a hydrating primer, and I love this so much. I just forget to use it, but when I do, so good. Definitely one of my favorite ones from the drugstore. And then to lock everything in, I'm gonna be taking my Morphe setting spray. Ooh, I miss this so much. It smells like cologne. Like, it smells like men's cologne. Like, it smells amazing. For foundation today, I'm taking my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade M70. I tried this maybe like 2 times and I really didn't like love it. So I'm gonna give it another opportunity today. I'm gonna be applying it into my Beauty Blender mixer. I'm doing like 3 pumps because we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna take like a little brush and like apply it onto my face first. That way I can like work in sections. And then whatever is left, I'm going to scoop that up and apply it onto my forehead. So far, it looks really good. I like the coverage, but nothing compares to my Maybelline Superstay Drugstore foundation, but I'm giving it a try. Hopefully it surprises me. Some people like love this foundation and I'm just like, why? For concealer today, I'm trying 2 new ones by Neutrogena. Well, I just got like a darker shade. This is a Hydra Boost Hydrating Concealer and it looks so like yummy and hydrating. I know Benefit launched some of these like maybe like a year or 2 ago and I wasn't really a fan. It was like too watery. Like it didn't give me like any like full coverage at all. So I'm hoping this one does something for me. Okay, and I'm going in with the shade Light Medium 30. It goes on like really smooth and like creamy. It's like I'm painting, it's like a lipstick. Okay, and I'm taking the deep one, which is the one I'm gonna use for contouring. I like this color. And then I'm going to go in with this one later because I want like more of a brightened under eye for today's look. I'm gonna start blending this in with my Morphe sponge. It's not very full coverage, but it does settle really nice into the skin. And it makes it like really glowy and dewy. Look at like my under eye. Wow, it looks really, really pretty. But I'm gonna go with my Makeup Revolution concealer again, just to like brighten my under eyes. And I'm just going to buff out the foundation, the concealer with the eyeshadow, just to make sure that it looks really soft. Okay guys, to bake the face, I'm taking my Rimmel Stay Matte All Day Powder. And this is the loose version of it. I do have the pressed one that I'm gonna be using as well. I used it one time and I wasn't like mad about it, but I kind of forgot like how it applied. So I'm gonna be using it again today. I'm just gonna like press it into the skin. Don't know if I feel like baking today, but it's like a really soft velvety finish, which I like. It's a really light powder. It is more on the dry side though, because I already see like my under eyes like creasing, and it typically doesn't happen to me with like any other loose powders that I own. I am gonna take some though and like bake underneath of my face like so. Full glam, cooking up pretty nicely, ladies. I'm gonna be taking this LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner. This is in the color brown. And I'm gonna be using this on my lash line to kind of like smoke it out, like in the outer corner. I'm taking this Sigma Short Shader E20 brush, going in with Smooth Criminal, the rich brown shade. I'm gonna use that to buff out my upper lash line. I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of that Agent shade, like in the edges, to give it a little bit more light warmness. Alright guys, I'm taking this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I'm gonna apply myself a coat to my top lashes. And for lashes today, I'm taking my favorite drugstore lashes by Ardell Studio Effects Demi Wispies. Okay, so while I let my lashes dry, I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, no, girl. Let's go ahead and apply our bronzer first. I'm taking this Morphe palette. This is the Highlighting Contour Palette 8H. Ooh, look at how pretty this is. It has everything you need but blush, but it has 4 bronzer shades, shimmery and matte, and also has 4 highlighters to choose from. So today, I am taking a mixture of Blogger and Donuts for my contour today. I'm gonna mix these two together and I'm gonna start bronzing my face and also down my neck and my jawline. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the bottom powder. You guys see how it just makes it like more cleaner this way? And I'm gonna be taking my Rimmel Stay Matte powder And I am gonna be tapping that into my T-zone because it's looking a little bit shiny right now. And we don't want shiny, honey, we want glossy. So now that we're done with the majority of our powders, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with my Morphe setting spray. So when my setting spray dries on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Oof, I love these so much. I like this because even though they're more like on the natural side, they're like dense enough and long enough to make it seem like you have like lash extensions or that you just have like a lot of mascara on. And they literally look great with any eye look. Seriously, they're amazing. Ooh, this look is coming together, guys. Okay, guys, so for blush today, I'm taking another one of my L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blushes. I just picked this one up at Ulta, another shade. This is Charming. I have Just Curious, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with these blushes, and they also smell really, really good. I'm gonna be applying that with my Morphe M530 brush. This is like a shade darker than the one I already have. The one that I have is like more like peachy. I'm gonna go with a light coat of setting spray just under my cheeks so I can make my highlighter pop. That just so it's a little moist. I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be taking these two colors right here, which are Big Bang and Venus. One is more of a gold shade and the other one's more like a gold champagne color. So what I'm gonna just mix them both together. This highlighter has like a weird overcast. I feel like because it's of the Big Bang, it pulls a little bit green, which I am not a fan of. I mean, it looks pretty in the light, but like straightforward, I didn't like it at all, guys. Like, I don't. But it is too late. We are already here and we're gonna commit to this look. Okay, guys, for lip liner, I'm taking my LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Cafe. And as always, I'm gonna go ahead and overline my lips with the lip liner. I'm trying to find a way to like overline my lips in a more natural way because I feel like lately I've been going too overboard and then I just don't like it in my pictures. It looks very unnatural, so I'm trying to work on my lip liner technique. I'm gonna be taking I Love Sarai ColourPop lip color in the shade 951. Such a pretty color, I swear, it's amazing. And then on top of it, I wanna make it a little bit lighter, so I'm taking my Maybelline in the shade Driver. Alright guys, so this concludes today's video. I really hope you guys loved it. I was itching for this bronzy, golden drugstore look because I haven't filmed a drugstore tutorial in forever, and I love filming this and I love watching them as well because it is so crazy to see what awesome products you can find that still look a bomb for an affordable price. So I really hope that you guys love this video. As always, I will have other products that I use and mention listed down below along with their links and discount codes. And as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That is all Vale Loren Beauty. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this look. If you guys do have any of these products or if you guys want to try them out, let me know your thoughts down below, and also what other videos you would like for me to do for the upcoming weeks. And that is it for today's video, guys. I love you so much. Muchos besitos y abrazos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.